to help you master the material in the course, it might be useful to say a little about the way in which the course is organized. And I think this is particularly helpful for those of you who take this course asynchronously online. You will see the course is divided into a set of modules. Each module contains a host of material, including pages, videos, assignments, discussions, links to external material, and so on. Each module also contains an introduction. And though this may seem obvious, the place to start when tackling a module is the module introduction. The module introduction contains three elements, namely an introduction, a set of module learning outcomes, and a set of learning activities. The introduction in the module introduction provides information on how the module fits into the overall structure of the course, and typically links the module back to material that we covered earlier. It sets the context for the module, if you like. The section on module learning outcomes is the most important section in the introduction. It tells you as precisely as possible what I expect you to be able to do and know after you have successfully completed the module. Moreover, I try to link the module learning outcomes back to the course learning outcomes, which we discussed when we discussed the syllabus. The learning activities are designed to help you achieve the module learning outcomes and to help assess how well you achieve them. As said, the module learning outcomes are the most important section in the introduction. Use the module learning outcomes to guide your approach to the material in the course. For example, suppose that the material covers different technologies to perform some tasks, say create a visualization. A module learning outcome lists different technologies to create a visualization means that you merely need to be able to list the names of the different technologies we covered. You need to memorize those names. A module learning outcome describe different technologies to create a visualization means that you not only need to be able to list the names of the technologies, you also need to be able to describe in some detail how the technologies allow you to create a visualization. Finally, a module learning outcome like use different technologies to create a visualization means that you will have to actually be able to prepare a visualization, to create a visualization in those different technologies. In other words, the module learning outcomes show you the depth to which you are expected to engage with the material. A good way to test whether you've been successful in the module, even before you start the various assignments and so on, is to reflect on how comfortable you are that you have achieved the module learning outcomes. Also, as you know, part of the assessment for this course is a reflective essay that I expect you to submit at the end of the course. And I encourage you to make some notes at the end of each module to help you write that paper. Given the importance of module learning outcomes in the design, both for the modules themselves and the overall course, it might make sense for you to reflect on how well you achieved your module learning outcomes when you make the notes I encourage you to make at the end of each module. Thank you.